To ensure a better protection and increase engine performance for the automotive industry, temperature control is one of the biggest challenges for the design of current and future cars. Due to an increasing complexity and higher operating temperature requirements, speed and accuracy is mandatory for thermal regulation. Our large range of robust and compact VDA QCs is compatible with all coolant fluids and can demonstrate reduced insertion effort. All cooling lines can be equipped with adapted quick connectors. Integrated temperature sensors enable responsive and consistent thermal management to lower fuel consumption. A. Raymond long-standing experience in fluid connection ensures reliable, secured and optimized connection solutions for all cooling applications.